Alright, so Mr. Cream, how was your day today?
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Cream.
Oh.
Oh, here's your food, people.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like some more? Okay. I'll be right.
Oh, la, la, la.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah,
Are you okay?
just a bit stuffed.
You don't look very well. You might need to rest.
Okay.
Honey.
You just need to get some good rest, okay?
Time to go.
Here's the paycheck.
Oh. Oh. Yes!
Waitress, is he doing
Thank
good in
you.
there?
That's just enough. Thank you.
Okay.
That's just enough.
Knock, knock,
Now,
knock.
Okay,
you
bye-bye.
just... Okay. Oh, should I get the door for you?
Knock, knock, knock.
Oh, hello.
So, Mr. What the hell? Why are you chunky?
No, I ate too much. Oh no, it's about to happen.
Run! Ah!